Then, of course, the show is yours. So let's start with Anna. Hi, Anna. How are you?
Ma'am,
Venus Heat, can you please mute yourself? You guys?
can you please repeat the sequence?
It would be Anna, Heer, Jasleen, Jyoti, Karina.
Ma'am, it's Heer or Geet?
Heer, you. Yeah. So I guess Anna has lost connection or something. So we'll be starting with you, Heer. So
Yes, sure, ma'am. Can I start?
yes, please go ahead.
Good morning, lovely ladies and my lovely judges. My name is Heer Soni, and the name of my theme is How to Pull Off Men's Clothes. I choose this theme because nowadays we all know that we are going to pandemic and we can't go out to arrange for this shoot. So this is the most easily available stuff that we can get at everyone's home. So as you can see, I have used this men's shirt to make it a dress with the help of this belt. Along with this, let's move to makeup. I have applied the basic things, CTM, that is cleanser, toner, moisturizer. After that, I applied the primer, then foundation. Let's move to my eye makeup. As you can see, I have applied the dark brown color on my inner lid and the light brown color in my upper lid. When I blend it, I get this look, as you all can see. Then I did contouring on my face. After that, I applied blusher and highlighter. Finally, I completed my look with kajal, mascara, highlighter, and a dark lip shade to increase the look of my dress. Further, for my hairs, you can see I have given them the light curls as my hairs are very straight. To make them wavy, I gave them the soft curls. And in accessories, I have used these loops along with Kara on my right hand. Further, to complete this look, I wore my long boots. As you can see, I have completed my look with this long boots. This helps me in representing my thing well, that how to pull off men's clothes. And at last, I would like to say thank you, judges and FSIA, to allow and represent myself on this platform. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you, Heer. Thank you so much. I guess Anna has joined. Hi, Anna. Can we please hear from you? Anna Tyagi, are you there? Can you hear me? Okay, I guess there is some connectivity issue still. So moving forward, we have Jasleen. Hi, Jasleen.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good too.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Okay. Bonjour, ladies and ladies. I hope you all are doing well. And I know ये मेरा अतरंगी अवतार देख के आप थोड़ा हैरान हो रहे होगे, पर इस अवतार के पीछे की कहानी सच्ची घटना पर आधारित है. So basically, Michelle Obama is my role model. I generally look up to her. So I thought of portraying myself as Michelle Obama, but trying and realizing that being her is such an artistic work. So instead of her looks, I took her message that she always conveys, that is, unapologetically being yourself. So therefore, here I am. Instead of portraying myself as any other personality, I am here to represent myself as Jasleen, Jasleen. Yes, you heard it right. And please trust me when I say that FSI has literally changed my thinking regarding this makeup thing. And if you are ready to know how my before and after self changed after these grooming sessions, give me the thumbs up so that I can initiate the conversation between my before and after self. So are we ready? Okay. So I don't know what this makeup does to you. I think you should be beautifully inside. That's it. Duh. Makeup is the way of expressing yourself with more confidence and in a creative manner. But still, like, do people even notice? I mean, who cares? Baby girl, your looks communicate before you does. Still, what's exactly the benefit of putting so much on your face? That's a tricky question. Well, who doesn't want to look younger? and who doesn't want to enhance their personality. And most importantly, this showcase your sense of self-care as you devote time for yourself when you're putting makeup on your face or anything. When you're pampering yourself, you're devoting time. So when this is a part of your self-care. Oh, I see. But I'm so much new to this. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not even a beginner. Hmm, okay. Well, for that, you could have registered FCA. और अगर नहीं किया तो go to the website fsia.in and register yourself. And जैसे मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है मेकअप के रिगार्डिंग, आप भी सीख सकते हैं. So here, I just want to say that life isn't perfect, but your makeup can be, and you can't buy happiness, but you can buy good makeup, because if beauty is the spirit, makeup is the art. With this, I arrest my this look. Thank you.
Thank you, Jasleen. Thank you so much. And jury members, Jasleen was 1 minute past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Jyoti. Hi, Jyoti. Okay, I guess she lost connection. So let's move forward to Karina. Hi, Karina. Post Karina, the sequence would be Lopamudra, Mohana, Prashasti, Radhya. Karina Sahu, can we please have your video? अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
मैम हो नहीं रहा मैम.
हो गया. अभी ऑडियो भी ठीक है, वीडियो भी ठीक है. जी, शुरू करें?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
I get of the look of the famous actress in 1960s Mumtaz. Mumtaz orange sari is become a symbol for generation of fashion slaver. I wear orange sari sweeping around like butterfly with choker necklace and paired earrings with iconic 60s pop style with red bindi on the forehead and winged eyeliner with heart putty to the tunes of Tere Mere Pyar Ke Charche song with the movie Brahmachari. Priyanka Chopra also inspired this look in the movie Teri Meri Kahani. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Karina. Thank you so much. Please अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए. And moving forward, we have Lopamudra. Hi, Lopamudra. Can we please have your video?
अरे जो भी बोले यार बोले ना वही तो.
Kirti ma'am, could you please mute Karina? Hi, Lopamudra. Can we please have your video? Guys, you'll have to respond somewhat. Yeah, okay. Please unmute yourself. Yeah. Are we ready?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Lopa. Good afternoon. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am here going to represent child labor. मैम चाइल्ड लेबर के लिए मैं ये कॉस्ट्यूम पहनी हूँ. ये कॉस्ट्यूम नेगेटिविटी को प्रेजेंट करता है और चाइल्ड लेबर एक नेगेटिविटी ही फैलाता है. वो एक नेगेटिव एनर्जी है, इसीलिए मैं ये कॉस्ट्यूम पहनी हूँ. और इसको मैं एक गाना के थ्रू, मैसेज के थ्रू देना चाहती हूँ. मैम आई विल स्टार्ट.
We cannot hear the song, Harry.
I think the voice of the music is very, very low.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lopamudra. So moving forward, we have Mohana. Hi, Mohana.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Are we ready?
Yes. Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, yes. Yes. Also, jury members, Lopamudra was 1 minute past her scheduled time, just to inform. Mohana, you can start.
Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. I am Mohana, and today I am choosing to be who I am. I thought of representing many characters and themes, but that will be just me and acting, and anyone given outfit and time can represent anything. So I decided to remind us and show how important it is to be ourselves first. The dress and makeup I'm wearing today represent me very closely. The color blue is sincere, reserved, and quiet, which resembles myself in every way. We all know the color gold promotes preciousness and importance. The blue highlighted by gold is my way of showing importance, being ourselves true self. The makeup application is pretty and yet non-excessive, exactly how I like, which again promotes being comfortable with own self. And the jewelry completes the outlook and adds to the beauty, showing that small details make us whole. So, what do I mean by being ourselves? All of us looked at others and wished that we could have what we have. So, but when you are not yourself, you change your thoughts and beliefs, and you become someone who tries to please others. So, this opportunity, I just wanted to pass on this message, showing how precious the freedom of being ourselves, and why in a day-to-day life, instead of pursuing some trend blindly or imitating others, you should dress to please yourself. Thank you. And now I'm going to show my dress. And this is all my dress. And my jewelry, my makeup, my earrings. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mohana. Thank you so much. So moving forward, we have Prashasti. Hi, Prashasti.
Hello, everyone. Hello, jury members. A very good afternoon to all of you. I am a heretic, a hybrid of a vampire and a witch. I was turned into a vampire by one of the originals, and a witch gave me this mark. I've been daggered to the heart for 100 years, and now I've risen through the music for the lust of the blood. And I'm coming forward for all of you. Snap your necks. Put my fangs in your necks and suck the blood out of you all. The darkness is all over, and I can walk in the daylight, so beware all of you. I am coming tonight. Thank you, everyone. This makeup is representing a dark theme, that is vampire and witch heretic. If anyone of you watches the Vampire Diaries, they will understand it better. and the makeup is done entirely by me. And so this is it about me. Thank you, everyone. Have a very nice day. Stay safe.
Thank you, Prashasti. Thank you so much. So next would be Radhya, and after Radhya, the sequence goes on like Rani, Ritika, Siddhi, Sumedha, and Swati. So hi, Radhya.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Radhya Gupta, and I am participating in FSIA 2021. And I'm extremely devoted to Lord Radha Krishna. That's why I have taken this look. You can see my natni and my more punk turban, my neck piece, my jewelry, my bangles, they all resemble to Lord Radha Krishna. And I would like to show my dress also, please. This is called Gopi dress. This is called a Vaishnav dress also. And मैं राधा कृष्णा में पूरी तरह से इतनी लीन हूँ कि I want this look every day. But रोज मैं ये नहीं कर सकती. That's why मुझे जब भी मौका मिलता है, definitely I take this look because I love this look. I love my Radha Krishna. I truly believe in my God. उन्होंने ही मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है और इस पैंडेमिक कोविड टाइम में उन्होंने मुझे मेरा बहुत कुछ खोते खोते भी वापस दिया है. So that's why I more and more believe in my Lord Radha Krishna. And I hope you all like my look. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Radhya. Thank you so much. So moving forward, let's hear it from Rani. Hi, Rani. अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए जी.
Hello everyone, I am Rani Gupta from Patna. ये रोल जो मैं अभी प्ले की हूँ ये है हीरोइन है और मैं बचपन से उनको बहुत दिल से उनको मैं पूछती हूँ और फिल्म 84 में उनको ये नेम दिया गया था ड्रीम गर्ल, जिससे वो अभी तक पॉपुलर है और 4 दशक से फिल्मी दुनिया में वो राज कर रही हैं और अभी भी बहुत खूबसूरत है. मुझे भी बचपन से शौक था कि मैं भी ड्रीम गर्ल बनूं और ये आपने एफसीआई ने मुझे ये मौका दिया कि मैं ड्रीम गर्ल भले 5 मिनट के लिए ही पर बन गई. इसके लिए मैं एफसीआई को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ. हेमा मालिनी मेरी फेवरेट हीरोइन है और वो उन्होंने शोले फिल्म में भी एक रोल अदा की थी जिनका उसमें टाइटल नाम दिया गया था बसंती, पर बसंती नाम मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा और ड्रीम गर्ल हर लेडीज का सपना होता है कि उन्हें भी कोई ड्रीम गर्ल बोले, चाहे वो सुंदर हो या नहीं हो, फिर भी वो चाहती है कि मैं सुंदर, मुझे लोग सुंदर बोले. इसलिए मैंने ड्रीम गर्ल हेमा मालिनी को पसंद किया और उन्हीं का टाइटल मैंने ड्रीम गर्ल बना. इसके लिए मैं एफसीआई को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ.
Thank you, Rani. Thank you so much. And jury members, Rani was 15 seconds past the scheduled time. So next is Ritika. Hi, Ritika.
Hi, Harry. Good afternoon, all the jury members. Hope all is well and safe. So today I'm representing a boss lady, as I always want to be, the boss of my life and the decision maker of my life. So I feel that when you carry any attire, the purpose is to feel confident and inspired within yourself. But to have a cherry on the top, you have to have the perfect set of clothing, wardrobe, accessories, and footwear, which most of the people usually don't pay emphasis on. So when it comes to wearing blazers and suits, which make me feel confident, I have inspired myself from one of the series, it's Suits, in which there are very inspiring female characters, and one of them is played by Meghan Markle, and she wears those pencil skirts and blazers and that perfect shirts. So I always want to carry that look, and I love it because it can be worn in any season, whether it be winters or summers. You just remove the blazer and you are ready to go for the summers, and you don't have to accessorize that much, because right now also I'm just wearing a simple watch and minimal earrings, and eyeliner, kajal, and basic foundation and lipstick goes well with it, and you just feel confident within 5 or 10 minutes of investment. And you can enter any meeting, go to any office party, make a slight modification, and so it's a multi-purpose solution and it can be easily carried. So it makes me feel good and confident. That's why I love this look every time, Monday to Friday. I don't like wearing casuals on Friday because I think the zeal of working is kind of escaping out of my body. So in order to keep it intact, I love this look.
Thank you, Ritika. Thank you so much. Jury members, Ritika was 20 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, we have Siddhi. Hi, Siddhi. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. I have always been the girl who is smaller than everyone. And I have always been body shamed or been bullied for the way I look. I'm way smaller than all of my friends. And whenever I wear blazers or normal clothes, people say things like, you look like a hanger with clothes on, or bralettes aren't flattering on flat chest, or not to wear pants because it does not look good on you. And it completely shook my faith, because as a teenager, being skinny or being thin was everything that people wanted at that point of time, which was also bad. But as I grew up, being skinny was also not something people like. So that completely shook my faith and killed my morale, killed my self-esteem. So today I decided to wear everything that people said does not look good on me: a blazer, a bralette, and pants. And it makes me feel very powerful, confident, and very put together, along with red lips and some gold accessories. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Siddhi. Thank you so much. So moving forward, we have Sumedha, and after Sumedha, the sequence will go like Swati, Vaishali, Venus, and Vidhi. So let's hear it from Sumedha. Hi, Sumedha.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, my dear respected judges and all my dear participants present over here. First of all, I'm very, very, very excited for this round. And today, basically, my theme is a Virgo woman, which is based upon my zodiac sign, and for which I have done this pink glam makeover. And as we all know that pink is our color, and pink symbolizes youth, good health, and playfulness. And no doubt pink is a feminine color and it represents love as well. And it is a color which nurtures us and accepts us the way we are. And so it embodies the world, and it is not meant to threaten or intimidate others. And so I'm going to show my attire to all you. Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you all. And one more thing I would like to say, that I never had any interest in makeover, but thanks to FSI, that it totally changed my view. And today here I am is only because of FSI. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sumedha. So moving forward, we have Swati. Hi, Swati.
Hi.
Are we ready?
Ready. Good afternoon, judges. Good afternoon, lovely ladies. Adab. खम्मा गणी आप सभी को। एक तरफ केसरिया रंगीला राजस्थान है और एक तरफ नजाकत और तहजीब का अंदाज है। अंदाज़े केसरिया मेरा फ्यूजन थीम है और अंदाज़े केसरिया इसलिए क्योंकि मैं राजस्थान से शादी होकर लखनऊ आई थी और यहाँ की तहजीब और संस्कृति और राजस्थान की संस्कृति दोनों एक धरोहर है और आने वाली पीढ़ी को ये धरोहर बहुत खूबसूरत लगनी चाहिए, उन्हें भी महसूस होना चाहिए। तो एक तरफ जूती है, मोजरी है और पाजेब है, तो चूड़ियां भी हैं और चूड़ा भी है राजस्थान का, और रंगीला मेकअप है, नथ भी है, राजस्थानी बोडला है, तो लखनवी झूमर भी है। और ये मेरा अंदाज़ी केसरिया है और अंदाज़ी केसरिया मेरी थीम पोर्टफोलियो की पिक्स में भी है, जिसमें मैंने बताया कि पारंपरिक तौर पे राजस्थान में आज भी बांधनी और बंदेज, जिसे टाई एंड डाई के नाम से जानते हो, वो मैंने शो किया है खुद अपने हाथ से बना के, और साथ ही दूसरी तरफ लखनवी अंदाज भी है। तो शुक्रिया खम्बा गणी सभी को और थैंक यू।
Thank you, Swati. Thank you so much. So moving forward, we have Vaishali. Hi, Vaishali. अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए। Yeah. Are we ready? Go ahead.
नमस्कार, मी वैशाली आसे। आज मी महाराष्ट्राची आवडती अभिनेत्री 2017 ची प्रसिद्ध अभिनेत्री मैम कैन आई रिपीट?
कोई बात नहीं, फिर से शुरू करते हैं, शुरू कीजिए।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू। ओके, नमस्कार, मी वैशाली आसे। आज मी महाराष्ट्राची आवडती अभिनेत्री 2017 ची प्रसिद्ध अभिनेत्री मैम सॉरी मैम, ओके मैम कैन आई रिपीट?
वैशाली शुरू कीजिए, कोई बात नहीं, आप हौसले के साथ शुरू कीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम, रुकिए मत, कोई बात नहीं।
ओके मैम, या नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम। ओके मैम, नमस्कार, मी वैशाली आसी। आज मी महाराष्ट्राची आवडती अभिनेत्री 2017 पारितोषिक पटकावणारी अमृता खानविलकरच्या माध्यमातून महाराष्ट्राची नऊवारी वधूचा थीम प्रस्तावित करीत आहे। आज मी महाराष्ट्राची मराठी चित्रपटाची प्रसिद्ध अभिनेत्री अमृता खानविलकर महाराष्ट्राची प्रसिद्ध अभिनेत्री अमृता खानविलकर हिला नऊवारी साडीची खूप चाह आहे। नऊवारी साडी ही भारतीय शैलीची लोकप्रिय उत्कृष्ट अशी पारंपरिक साडी जी महाराष्ट्राची नववधू लग्न समारंभात प्रस्तुत करते। नऊवारी साडी म्हणजे काय? नऊवारी साडी म्हणजे नऊ काष्ठ असणारी सिल्कची साडी, ज्यात चमकणाऱ्या शैला प्रस्तुत केल्या जातं। एवढेच नव्हे तर सोनेरी दागिने आणि महाराष्ट्राची शान नथ आणि बाशिंग याचं प्रस्तुत करून नऊवारी साडीचे एक कॉम्बिनेशन म्हणजे मराठी परंपराचं सांस्कृतिक ओळख दर्शविणारी एक नऊवारी साडी म्हणजेच नऊवारी वधू प्रस्तुत केल्या जाते। आज मी अमृता खानविलकरना प्रस्तावित करण्यामागे एकच उद्देश की ती महाराष्ट्राची प्रसिद्ध अभिनेत्री असूनही स्वतःची परंपरा न विसरता आज प्रत्येक सणासुदीला कार्यक्रमाला नऊवारी साडी प्रस्तुत करते। आज माझी अमृता खानविलकर ही प्रेरणा असून आपण प्रत्येक व्यक्तीने तिच्यासारखंच स्वतःची परंपरा न विसरता नऊवारी साडी नेसून आणि स्वतःच सांस्कृतिक ओळख दर्शवून लोकांना सुद्धा प्रेरणा देऊन आपण त्यांची प्रेरणा बनायला पाहिजे. आणि मला खुशी आहे की आज मी एक मराठमोळी आहे. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Vaishali. Thank you, and kudos for you to trying again. So, jury members, Vaishali was 2 minutes past her scheduled time. Vaishali, अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए, please. So next we have the last two members, Venus. Hi, Venus.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. नमस्कार आप सभी को, मेरा नाम वीनस गुप्ता है और मेरी तस्वीरों का विषय है सिंपलेस्ट प्लेजर्स ऑफ लाइफ, जिंदगी के कुछ सरल सुख। तो मैंने ये विषय इसलिए चुना क्योंकि आजकल की भागदौड़ भरी जिंदगी में हम कुछ चीजें छोड़ देते हैं, वो कुछ सरल सुख जो हमारे पीछे छूट जाते हैं। मैंने अपनी तस्वीरों के थ्रू जो चीजें मुझे पसंद है और जो चीजें मैं अपनी निजी जिंदगी में करती हूँ, जो छोटी छोटी चीजें, और आप सबकी जिंदगी में कुछ छोटी ऐसी चीजें होंगी जो आपको भी पसंद है, हम सबको पसंद है। जैसे कि सुबह की वो चाय, उस चाय की पहली सिसकी जो हम लेते हैं, उसकी गर्माहट को अपने हाथों में महसूस करना, उसकी सुगंध को सोखना, उन सब चीजों को महसूस करना चाहिए। तो मैंने अपनी पूरी तस्वीरों में 2 आउटफिट्स मेन रखी हैं, वो है एक बेसिक व्हाइट शर्ट और दिस फ्लोरल प्रिंट दैट आई एम वेयरिंग। तो जो बेसिक व्हाइट शर्ट है उसका है कि वो सुबह की सादगी को दर्शाता है कि वो सिंपल बट एलिगेंट लगती है, लाइक एट द सेम टाइम। और दूसरी ये फ्लोरल प्रिंट ड्रेस मैंने रखी है क्योंकि ये हमारी स्त्रीता और प्राकृतिक दर्शाता है। मैंने अपनी आंखों के लिए पिंक आई शैडो और गोल्डन आई शैडो, इन दोनों को ब्लेंड करके आई शैडो लगाया है। और मैंने अपने लिप्स जो हैं उन पे पिंक लैक्मे पिंक न्यूड पिंक, उसको डार्क लिप करके लगाया है। और मेकअप में लिपस्टिक लगाना मेरा सबसे फेवरेट, आई कैन वेयर लिपस्टिक्स लाइक ऑल द टाइम। एंड विद दिस ड्रेस आई हैव पेयर्ड दिस chain, this multicolored chain. So I've kept my ears and because I think this was a off shoulder dress, so this chain looks good when it's off shoulders. तो जिस विषय पे मैंने तस्वीरें खींची हैं तो उसमें है कि अगर अब मेरी तरह आपको पुस्तकें पढ़ना पसंद है तो उठाइए अपनी वो बचपन वाली किताब और जिए अपने वो खुशी के बचपन वाले पल, या फिर उठते हैं, कूदते हैं, अपने मनपसंद गानों पर नाचते हैं, मतलब जिंदगी को जिंदगी की तरह जीते हैं, ना कि काटते हैं। तो मैंने वो ऐसी लुक्स जो थोड़ी सिंपल बट खुश मतलब वाइट कलर जो मैंने चूज किया है वो इसी के लिए चूज किया बिकॉज वो हमारे मन को शांत करता है, हमें खुश रहना सिखाता है। और दूसरा, मैंने अपने बालों को खुला रखा है इस लुक में क्योंकि ये दर्शाता है कि हमें खुलकर जीना चाहिए। तो ये बाल खुलकर जीने का प्रतीक है वहां पे। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Venus. Jury members, Venus was 22 minutes past her schedule time. So moving forward, last we have Vidhi, who has been extremely patient so far. Hi Vidhi, how are you?
Hello, I'm really good. Thank you so much for asking. Can I begin?
Yeah, please.
Hello jury members and all the lovely ladies. You look really pretty today. And today I'm celebrating my mother. My mom is my theme. She has been my superhero and my super biggest strength, and I'm sure she is the same for you all. She has always taught me to break ceilings and not just concentrate on how to make chapatis round. And the dress I'm wearing today is actually her wedding dress, wedding sari, which I stitched and converted into a skirt and a kurta. Because if I wore the sari in the same way that she wore, it would have been quite obvious. But it was her who pushed me to come out of my comfort zone and do something extraordinary. So it's always her behind everything I do. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vidhi. So this brings us to the end of Talent Round 2, ladies, and you have performed exceptionally well. Thank you so much for putting up such a great show and a positive, reaction to each other. I could see each of you smiling for each other, and that is the biggest growth that I could see in any one of you. Thank you so much. Now I request the jury members one-on-one, to give us some parting words before we, of course, leave the meeting. So over to you, Kirti ma'am. We'd like to begin with you.
Thank you, Harry, and congratulations to each one of you. I mean, you have performed so beautifully today. This is by far the best batch for Talent Round 2 that has appeared, because each and every one of you was on point. And let me just tell you that the transformation that I'm seeing here is real, right? Because I have seen you appearing for the auditions for Talent Round 1, for appearing for the training sessions, asking Heavy all those questions. And today when I see you so confident, so poised, it makes me feel so proud of the platform, so proud of the community that all of us are creating together. Let me just tell you that there is nothing more attractive than a woman speaking out her mind. And all of you have done that today. Jo aapke man mein tha, wo aapne bola hai is stage pe. And trust me, it takes a lot of courage to do that, right? In front of so many people, in front of the jury members, अपने दिल की बात रखना और इतना confidently, इतना elegantly रखना, that's what I wanted this talent round to do to you, and it has done that. You have done justice to this round. And yes, let me just say one more thing कि जब आप हिंदी में बोलते हैं, अपनी regional language में, मराठी में, for that matter, when Vaishali was talking, so it again makes me feel thoda sa और proud that you are promoting your regional languages here. Though I could not understand Marathi, मुझे थोड़ी बहुत समझ में आ रही थी, थोड़ा बहुत I was just trying to make out कि क्या बोल रही है वैशाली. But then yes, जब आप हिंदी में भी बोलते हैं तो वो बहुत अच्छी feeling देता है. So yes, if you are good at Hindi, try talking in Hindi. It will be great. So yes, thank you so much for making me feel proud today, and all the best for your further rounds. You are going to do wonders, ladies. Yes.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Now I request Chitra, who has defied all odds today to come for this session. Over to you, Chitra.
Yeah, thank you. And I must say that yes, today the show was put up very well. Especially from the makeup point of view, I have a devil's eye and I was watching everything very closely, and everyone has really put an effort. I'm sure the way everything has turned out, they all have practiced. So kudos to the trainer as well, who encouraged them to try it and make mistakes and then finally bring out the best version of themselves. But I want you all to take one thing very seriously from at this very point of time. Be very mindful of your time. As and when the pageant will go ahead, things will become very serious, and even 1 second you crossing the time limit will work against you. And the journey so far has been transforming for you all. Why? For a small thing you will want to be left out. We are representing this on a national level. That finesse, that attitude, that promising thing, that I will do it in 90 seconds means I will finish it by 89 seconds. Practice this. You all have put your best foot forward, but in the next rounds, we want you all to see even better. We want to see that. So all the best. Keep a note of your time, because it is very disheartening for me to keep that thing in mind कि इनका इतना time कम हो गया, इतना time exceed हो गया. So all the best and be careful next time.
Thank you so much, Chitra. And Also, one more thing, Shalini Singh, you are not a part of this batch if I'm not wrong. You just joined in the meeting. All right, so moving forward, I request Roshni to take over the primarily the expert we have today, the makeup artist we have. So over to you, Roshni. Welcome on board. Roshni, आप mute पे हो?
Can you hear me now? Thank you, Harry. Hello, everyone. I would like to repeat myself the thing that I said yesterday, that yes, you guys need to practice a little in front of the mirror. But I would also like to agree with Kriti that, this is by far the best batch of Talent Round 2, because every day I think, okay, this is it. It can't get better. And every day all the participants transcend each other. And it is amazing to see such creativity on daily basis. I'm so enjoying these sessions. Seriously, all the best, everyone. You guys are doing amazingly well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies. And we shall take your leave so that I can have some parting words with the participants.